In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp workspace connected so updates can flow smoothly into Teams and your collaboration becomes faster and more organized. Start by opening your ClickUp account. If you're on the web, sign in and make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want this integration to live. It helps to pause for a second here and confirm you're using the right account, especially if you switch between personal and workspaces. Once you're in, look to the sidebar for the More option. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as the word More or as an icon with 3 dots. Click that to reveal additional settings and features that aren't shown by default. Next, click Apps. This opens the ClickUp app directory, which is where all available integrations are listed. Think of this as a marketplace dedicated to connecting ClickUp with the other tools your team relies on. At the top of this page, you'll see the search bar. Click into the search field and type Microsoft Teams. Entering the exact name helps you find the official integration instantly and avoid anything unrelated. When Microsoft Teams appears in the results, click it. This will open the integrations details page, where you can quickly confirm you're connecting the right app and skim a brief description of what it enables. From here, click Connect. A prompt will appear to guide you through the authorization process. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. In most cases, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Choose the correct organization or tenant if you have more than one, and grant the permissions needed so ClickUp and Teams can share information securely. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the connection window can open. If you don't see the prompt, check behind your current window or look for a small authorization tab. After you complete the prompts, you'll be brought back to ClickUp and should see a confirmation that Microsoft Teams is connected. If you manage multiple ClickUp workspaces, double-check the workspace label on this page to ensure the connection is attached to the right place. If the Connect button is disabled or you're asked for approval, your Microsoft admin may need to enable the integration. Simply follow the on-screen guidance provided. To recap, open your ClickUp account, click More, choose Apps, use the search bar to find Microsoft Teams, click it, then click Connect and follow the prompts on your screen. That's all it takes to link ClickUp with Microsoft Teams and streamline your teamwork.